Hello my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. It's another week and I'm back at Aldi and I'm so excited. We have another celebration this week. Monday the 29th is my husband's birthday. It's going to be a day of celebration. I'm excited for my week of meals, but in order to make them, I need to get the ingredients right. Let's see what good things Aldi has for me that I know I want and what things they'll be tempting me with. Their delicious groceries always inspire me on the spot, so who knows what I'll grab, but I'm excited to see. Come on in with me. I'm actually going shopping on this gorgeous Sunday evening because of my husband's birthday and an appointment on Monday. I need to get it done this evening and make sure we have everything for his birthday celebration. I was just gifted a quarter. There's no better feeling. Green grapes for lunches, $1.59 a pound. So many pumpkins and they're only $3.95. Especially since it's October this month, we have no choice but to get cider, right? It's $5.69. I need cilantro, 95 cents, and then I'm making beer cheese soup, and it's so good topped with green onions. 95 cents for that as well. Well, I wanted to get the bag garlic, but they don't have any right now, so I guess I'll have to get a clove at Meijer. Hopefully I remember. Kel wants mandarins in his lunch, $3.69. I think this is one of the best value. Look at all of those that you get. I'm gonna get 4 pounds of carrots. I'm making 2 soups, and then in lunches, we just go through a lot of carrots. Another great value. I completely ran out of onions, and of course, if I'm making a soup, I need onions. So I'm gonna get a bag of yellow onions at $2.69. My daughter wants me to get iceberg lettuce for salads, so I guess I'm gonna go old school and not buy bagged. $2.09. I thought it would be cheaper than that. And I also need celery for both soups. I make a vegetable soup and beer cheese, $1.99. I just keep waiting for my kids to tell me they're sick of peppers in their lunches, but we are not there yet. So $2.39 and getting peppers. Gotta find a better bag. That looks like it. I'm getting a bag of lemons, 2 pounds. There's quite a few in here for lemon water formula that'll last us quite a while. This is one of the things I wanted to get before my husband left for work on his birthday, so I generally shop Monday mornings, but he wouldn't be able to have these, and I think he would enjoy this as a surprise tomorrow morning, $3.39. Fun fact, if we make homemade cinnamon rolls, he's the one that makes them. We are gonna have a very quick dinner of fancy grilled cheese one night. I'm getting Italian bread for that, $3.79. And I actually use this bread, but I keep a loaf in the freezer. This is what I like the most. But I'm the only one that likes it. So I just take out what I want from the freezer. And that's $3.29, but it's one of my favorite Aldi items. One of my new recent favorite things is this Friendly Farms 2% milk. It has 14 grams of protein, so I make myself a protein iced coffee with 2 cups of this. I get 28 grams of protein. It tastes delicious, and it's $3.89. I get a lot of them. I make Kels with this as well. $2.63. I need a thing of 2% milk, and I want to get heavy cream, but they don't have any. Dang it. Bummer. Again, I think I'll come back for that on Wednesday. I don't want to buy that at Meijer prices for as much as I need this week. I need it for both Alfredo sauce and for my beer cheese soup. Thankfully, both of those are later in the week. Matt asked me to get more raspberry fruit on the bottom. He has really come to like this. $2.69. I need butter. $3.49. The Alfredo, I'm going to make thin chicken. Again, this is a recent favorite of mine. I wanted to see if they were 30% off. We have it here. That's thin sliced too. It just has a lower price per pound. You know what? We're going to go for this. This is only $3.67 to begin with, and I'm getting 30% off. Maybe I'll get a little bigger of a pack because I want more chicken. Is it actually thin sliced? Are they stacked on top of each other? That doesn't look very thin. I'm gonna have to see how this stacks up. I have been loving this. It's so easy to prepare. It comes out nice and thin. We'll give this a try. Parmesan cheese, $2.95. I need one for each soup, but vegetable stock. Of course, my veggie soup is vegetarian, but I also make sure I make the beer cheese.
I see it.
I make the beer cheese vegetarian as well. Great base. I'm gonna get 2 of these. Elsie hasn't had these in a while in case she gets sick of the grapes. I'm gonna see if she wants these. Just sometimes I think bringing up new things gets them interested. $2.29 each. Just use the last of vinegar. We use this on a lot of things, from cleaning to cooking. Just need more, and it's a great price at $3.89. I have been using flour a lot. I'm gonna make a couple things of crusty bread. I maybe will make scones this week, but I definitely need more flour, and it's $2.19. I want some beets for salads. I love that it's back in stock, $1.75. It's one of my favorite things to put on salads. But I need, for easy vegetable soup, I'm gonna get 2 things of sliced potatoes, 95 cents a piece. I use frozen veggies as well, but I'm also making a bean salad for the girls to eat throughout the week, but also the night we have grilled cheese. I think this would be a really good side. I need 2 things of dark red kidney beans. I need a giant can or 2 smaller cans of pinto beans. Those are $1.49. And then I'm doubling a recipe, and if you double it, it only would call for 2 cans of chickpeas, but I use 3 because I think it's pretty saucy. So I'm gonna get 3 chickpeas at 75 cents a piece. I knew this would happen. I have seen these over the past few weeks and I haven't got them. But then Matt wanted Alfredo, and I thought, oh, we'll see if they still have the ribbon noodles. They don't, which isn't a big deal. No, like, he didn't ask for those specifically, but I just came to check if they had them. We've had them in the past, they're pretty good, but I'll just end up getting regular linguine. As I'm in the Aldi finds aisle, there's lots of empty space for new items this week. And I've looked at the ad, it looks pretty good. I'm excited to see. I'm excited to see some of the items. Lots of Halloween candy still though. The grilled cheese and the bean salad. I'm also gonna just have a bag of chips. We're gonna get the baked sour cream and onion ruffles. Those have looked good to me, and now I have a reason to get them. $2.69. Okay, so here we are to go with the Alfredo. Oh, they do have fettuccine. I thought they only had linguine and spaghetti, but nope, I found a fettuccine. Look at that, $1.95. Same old, same old. Looking for the roasted garlic hummus for Elsie's lunch, $2.59. Lots of delicious dips though. All the delicious cheeses. Now this past week I tried, wait, not that one. Was it this one? An onion cheese that was really good, and a mustard. This one was so delicious. I have a lot of it left that's going on my fancy grilled cheese, and I think it was this one. Very good. No, it was a French onion one, but I'm not seeing it. But I also need some Parmesan for the Alfredo, $2.79. For the beer cheese soup, I need extra sharp cheddar, $1.85. And I'm just gonna get regular cheddar slices for those of us that don't want the fun fancy cheeses, $1.75 on the grilled cheese. Now, here's a secret. Do you wanna know why I'm making beer cheese soup? Because I wanted the pretzels. Now, if you're curious, I always like to get the most value. The size of the pretzels in this is the exact same as a stick, so it doesn't really matter if it's twisted or a stick. It's the same size, $4.79. I'm gonna get the soft pretzels. It just seems more traditional, but we'll have it the same night we have beer cheese soup. And I'm very excited. Also, I was excited because one of the Aldi workers told me she saw how much I like the cherry tarts, and she got one for herself to try. I hope she likes it as much as I do. Okay, so the price is not up here right now, but they have different gelatos. Not sure what this is. Pumpkin praline pie, yum. Apple pie, I have no idea how many there are. Maybe those are the 2 flavors. Looks like it. I'm guessing they're like $4 or $5, but they also have the gelato flights, unpriced. Bomb Pops, Halloween guys. And they have these sticky toffee pudding cakes and apple cider cakes. That looks tempting. It's not priced right now. I saw it in the Aldi flyer for this week, but I'm definitely grabbing it. Oh no. I dropped it. I don't know what the price is. We'll see together. But holy moly, every batch made from scratch. I love sticky toffee pudding, dates, caramel. Yes, please. $4.15. Plus we pay $1 extra in deposit that we get back if we bring the cans back. Which my son and I just did a whole bunch of cans, and he got $50 in deposits. A lot of it's sparkling water. We went over a couple days, and since he does the work of all the pop cans, he gets the money. I used to donate it to local groups, and when he found out he could do the work and get money, he said, I'll do it. For a very easy vegetable soup, I add California medley, $1.15, and I add a bag of mixed veggies right into my crock pot with the tomatoes, and I do dice up an onion and celery. And if I have any veggies I'm trying to get rid of in the fridge, those go in as well. Heavily season it with tomato sauce and the veggie broth. And it's, I heavily season it in addition to the tomato sauce and the veggie broth. And it's the easiest, and my girls love it. Now Cal has really enjoyed these pretzels in his lunch, so I think those will be coming for, I think they'll be a part of his lunch for a while. $2.49. The birthday boy wants vanilla ice cream with his birthday cake, $6.49. I'm hoping I can pick up his birthday cake at Meijer here in a few minutes. It's not supposed to be ready till tomorrow morning, but I'm hoping since it's the evening they'll be done with it. Since, you know, I didn't plan ahead, but we at least have ice cream. Okay, so as a reminder, I try to use a lot of things that I have on hand. Get a bulk of my stuff at Aldi, which is this stuff, and then I supplement at Meijer, which is where we're about to head. But before I check out, do you have a guess on my total? Okay, let's see how much this will set me back. Worth it, $4.69. Okay, so my total is $118.24. Now we'll head to Meijer. I don't have too much to get at Meijer today, which is great, but let me know. Do you think they'll have the cake ready, or do I have to come back tomorrow morning? Either way, I totally understand if it's not ready, because I did put for tomorrow morning, but I'm hopeful. Here we go, moment of truth. Okay, I know it looks ridiculously small, and it kind of is, but we have just so much junk at the house, we don't need a ton of cake. But there it is, it's in his favorite baseball team's colors, baseball figurine, and Cal picked what the words said. Perfect. So they have candles, a ton of them. They don't have any that match exactly, but I'm gonna get a 41. I don't always do numbers, but the cool thing is my daughter in less than a month is gonna turn 14, so we have 41 and 14. We'll get to use it twice. And I decided not to get pink for him, even though I know Elsie would like that. I figured they'll both like this. I need some garlic. We saw they didn't have the other ones at Aldi, so I'm gonna get 2 bulbs. Look at these two, they're 79 cents a piece. Limes are 5 for $2 or 40 cents a piece. I'm just gonna get 2, and that's for the salad, the bean salad. Let me see. Find 2 good looking ones here. There we go, I like these 2. 80 cents. Wax paper, I forgot to see if Aldi had it. I don't ever use wax paper. I'm not sure why Matt put this on the list, but here I am getting it for him, $1.99. Of course they're not on sale, but Elsie wants these for the Big Brother finale tonight. It's the night before this is published, but we love watching Big Brother, and this was her request for snacks at $4.89. My girls will both enjoy these during Big Brother. I watch it with them. It's one of my favorite shows. Feel free to discuss in the comments if you're a Big Brother watcher as well. This I think Matt needs for the process of closing our pool. $4.99 pink RV antifreeze. On my way to Health and Beauty, I'm surprised at how many advent calendars are already sold out, including the one that I was looking at for $50. Wowie! Okay, so Matt needs some more hairspray, and he likes this or the Aussie, but this is less expensive, $4.59, and it's buy one get one 40% off, so I'm gonna get 2 of these. I came to just see what plates and napkins they had, and these are on clearance. Obviously not good for Matt, but Elsie's having a sleepover, not really like a party, but just having a few friends stay the night, and I just think she will love these plates especially, and the napkins. So I'm gonna get this for Elsie, and these plates, they're $1.41 a piece, but they have like a whole set. There's a lot of different sets on clearance. hopefully one that Matt will like too, but I had to grab these early for Elsie. Now, I do love going to the dollar store, but it's not worth me saving change to go there to get something different. And they have a lot of discounted ones, so I just gotta pick which one for Matt, but they have a very good selection. I'm actually very surprised how great the stuff looks. Now we're getting carryout for his birthday, so I just wanna get something small. Let's see here. They had these video game ones, and he and my son do love to play video games together, so I think that'd be cute. Yeah, we'll do these ones. $141. And we'll get maybe matching napkins. This kind of stuff is more for my son to be excited for dad. Okay, so as we're over here, they actually have a 4 and a 1 in gold, and I like that these match better. So I'm gonna grab this and we'll trade out the polka dot stripe blue, and we'll get these instead. They're each still $2.50. So I like these better. We're gonna trade them out. Okay, so I don't have to pay for my prescription, but here is everything. Any guess on the total? Don't forget, I have an entire custom cake in there. My total is $51.22. Now let's go home and see the meal plan. So tonight, Monday, is my husband's birthday, and we're gonna have birthday dinner tonight wherever he wants carryout. He did say he wants carryout. I don't know what it's gonna be, but he's gonna pick it. And then tomorrow, we're either gonna have waffles, bacon, eggs. I put apples and homemade waffles, or grilled cheese with bean salad and chips. We have something, we're not exactly sure when it's gonna happen, but it's gonna crunch our night. And I don't know when it's gonna happen, but whatever busy night, either Tuesday or Thursday, is gonna get the grilled cheese dinner, and then the other one's gonna have waffles, bacon, eggs. Pretty much had everything on hand for this dinner. I'm gonna make homemade Alfredo. I use the Pioneer Woman's recipe, heavy cream, butter, Parmesan. I add pepper to it, garlic, super simple and good. I'm gonna make the thin chicken breast, and I'm gonna roast carrots with that. And of course make fettuccine pasta. Not everyone loves Alfredo, but we have red sauce if they don't want Alfredo. Grilled cheese, I'm pretty excited about this dinner just because, one, I love grilled cheese. I love the sourdough bread that I have on hand. And then it's gonna be an excuse to use up some of the fancy cheeses I've been buying. I'm gonna make the 3-bean salad that me and the girls love. And then we're just gonna have chips on the side. I'll probably have leftover carrots, or we can have salad, or just even fresh carrots. It's gonna be a very simple dinner though. Friday, we're gonna get carryout pizza with salads. This is gonna be pretty standard from here on out unless there's a reason not to. Saturday, I'm gonna make 2 different soups. The first one's gonna be veggie. Both of my girls love this. And the second one is beer cheese soup. I absolutely love beer cheese soup. My husband likes it, but I am like nuts about it. And then it's wonderful with pretzels. We will have both of these. I'm gonna make a homemade crusty bread, or if we have a lot of leftover Italian bread, I won't make the crusty bread, so I guess we'll see. And then Sunday is gonna be leftovers, mainly of the soup, but we might have some waffles or Alfredo. People can make whatever meal they want, and we will have that on Sunday. I know for myself, it's gonna be more beer cheese soup. I absolutely love going grocery shopping at Aldi, and then I round it out usually at Meijer, but it's just as fun to go see Aldi finds. And if you didn't know that I do grocery hauls and then I also go look at the Aldi finds every Wednesday, you can check out this video right here where you can see a recent trip to look at the Aldi finds. I do it every Wednesday, and you should subscribe if you love Aldi as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.